Healthy eating and lifestyle for the liver is today's video theme. After discussing the telltale signs of liver problems in our previous video, we'll now explore practical strategies to support liver health through dietary choices and lifestyle. If you haven't watched our previous video on signs of liver problems, don't worry. We'll leave the link at the end of this video, as well as in the description, so you can watch and stay informed about all the important information. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of nutrition for the liver, the key nutrients for liver health, specific foods that benefit the liver, along with tips and recipes for a healthy lifestyle. Be prepared to learn practical ways to take care of your liver and promote overall better health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos on health and wellness. Let's get started. Understand the importance of nutrition for the liver. The liver plays a vital role in our body, and its health is directly influenced by what we eat and our lifestyle. A proper diet can help protect the liver against damage and promote its optimal function. When it comes to liver health, nutrition plays a crucial role. The liver is responsible for processing the nutrients from the foods we consume, converting them into energy or storing them for later use. Therefore, following a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients is critical to supporting liver function and promoting overall well-being. Additionally, incorporating liver cleansing juices into your routine can be extremely beneficial. Later on, we'll share some recipes for these juices. Stay tuned so you don't miss out. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants necessary for liver health. These nutrients help protect liver cells against damage from free radicals and support the liver's natural detoxification processes. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, saturated fats, and added sugars can contribute to liver damage and inflammation. Excessive alcohol consumption can also harm the liver, leading to conditions such as fatty liver disease, alcoholic hepatitis, and cirrhosis. In addition to nutrition, lifestyle factors such as maintaining a healthy weight, staying physically active, and avoiding harmful substances like tobacco and excess alcohol are also crucial for liver health. By making smart food choices and adopting a healthy lifestyle, we can support the liver and reduce the risk of liver disease. Key nutrients for liver health. Antioxidants. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting liver cells against damage caused by free radicals, unstable substances that can harm cells and contribute to liver diseases. Vitamins C and E, along with beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, are powerful antioxidants found in a variety of foods such as citrus fruits, leafy green vegetables, nuts, and seeds. By consuming a diet rich in antioxidants, we can help maintain liver health and reduce the risk of liver diseases. Fiber. Dietary fibers play an important role in liver health by aiding in the elimination of toxins and waste from the body. They also promote intestinal health by preventing constipation and reducing the absorption of harmful substances through the gastrointestinal tract. Additionally, fibers help regulate cholesterol and blood sugar levels, which can benefit long-term liver health. Sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and seeds. Healthy fat, omega-3 and omega-6. Fatty acids are types of healthy fats that play an important role in liver health. These fats are essential for the proper functioning of liver cell membranes and help reduce inflammation, a risk factor for liver diseases. Sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, while sources of omega-6 fatty acids include nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. By including these healthy fats in the diet, we can support cardiovascular and liver health. Quality proteins. Proteins are essential for the repair and regeneration of damaged liver cells. Sources of lean proteins, such as poultry, fish, eggs, and legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, provide the necessary amino acids for protein synthesis in the liver. Additionally, proteins help maintain satiety and promote the building and maintenance of muscle mass, which is important for overall body health. Incorporating sources of quality proteins into the diet can help ensure the health and proper functioning of the liver. Foods for optimal liver health. Now, let's explore some specific foods that are especially beneficial for liver health. Green leafy vegetables. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are examples of green leafy vegetables that are incredibly beneficial for liver health. These vegetables are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, as well as in bioactive plant compounds like flavonoids and sulforaphanes, which help protect liver cells against damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, they are an excellent source of fiber, which aids in liver detoxification by by promoting the elimination of harmful substances from the body and regulating intestinal function. Citrus. Fruits, lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are citrus fruits known for their high content of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in liver health. Vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting liver cells from damage. Additionally, citrus fruits are a good source of soluble fibers which help regulate cholesterol levels and promote heart and liver health. Whole grains. Oats, quinoa, and brown rice are examples of whole grains that are important for intestinal and liver health. These grains are rich in soluble and insoluble fibers, which help regulate intestinal function by promoting the elimination of toxins and waste from the body. Additionally, they are a source of essential nutrients such as B vitamins, magnesium, and zinc, which play a crucial role in metabolism and proper liver function. By including whole grains in the diet, we can support liver health and reduce the risk of liver-related diseases such as fatty liver and cirrhosis. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit rich in healthy fats, mainly monounsaturated fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart and liver health. Additionally, avocado is an excellent source of antioxidants such as vitamin E, which help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Avocado also contains bioactive plant compounds like phytosterols and carotenoids, which have anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Incorporating avocado into the diet can help support liver health and promote optimal liver function. A healthy lifestyle for the liver goes beyond balanced nutrition. In case you encounter challenges in this aspect, I'll share a guide that I greatly appreciate to further assist you. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment because a healthy lifestyle is also crucial for liver health. Here are other necessary changes. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity plays a fundamental role in maintaining liver health. Exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial as overweight and obesity are associated with a higher risk of liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Additionally, regular exercise can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the liver, and improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for preventing insulin resistance and fat accumulation in the liver. It is recommended to engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity per week, such as brisk walking, running, swimming, or cycling, to obtain benefits for liver health. Limiting alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of liver diseases, including alcoholic fatty liver disease, alcoholic hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Alcohol is toxic to liver cells and can lead to inflammation, scarring, and permanent damage to the organ. Therefore, it's important to consume alcohol in moderation or avoid it completely to protect liver health. Safe alcohol consumption guidelines recommend up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. However, it's important to remember that even moderate amounts of alcohol can be harmful for some people, especially those with pre-existing liver diseases or other risk factors. Avoiding smoking. Smoking is associated with a higher risk of liver diseases, including viral hepatitis, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and liver cancer. The toxic chemicals found in cigarettes can cause damage to the liver and interfere with its proper function. Additionally, smoking can increase inflammation in the body, including in the liver, and impair the immune system, making it more susceptible to viral infections and other liver conditions. Therefore, avoiding smoking is essential to protect liver health and reduce the risk of tobacco-related liver diseases. Have you made any changes to your diet to support your liver health? If so, what were the results? Now that we've explored the principles of a healthy diet and lifestyle for the liver, let's move on to some extra tips on how to naturally cleanse the liver. These tips can complement your daily routine and help promote optimal liver health. And right after that, we'll share some must-try recipes. Stay properly hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for liver health as it helps flush toxins and waste from the body. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep the liver hydrated and functioning properly. Consume detoxifying foods. Include foods rich in digestive enzymes and antioxidants, such as garlic, onion, ginger, turmeric, and cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, which help stimulate liver function and detoxification. Opt for organic foods. Choose organic foods whenever possible to reduce exposure to pesticides and harmful chemicals that can overload the liver. Reduce consumption of saturated fats and sugars. Avoid processed foods, fried foods, sweets, and sugary beverages, which can contribute to fat buildup in the liver and increase the risk of liver diseases. Practice intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can help promote self-cleansing and cellular regeneration of the liver, allowing the organ to rest and recover between meals. Practice relaxing activities. Chronic stress can harm liver health, so it's important to engage in relaxing activities such as meditation, yoga, tai chi, or deep breathing to reduce stress levels and support liver health. Avoid excessive medication. Avoid excessive use of medications, especially painkillers and anti-inflammatories, which can overload the liver and impair its function over time. And now for the recipes to cleanse your liver. Recipe number 1. Beet, carrot, and ginger juice. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, 2 carrots, 1 piece of ginger, about 2 centimeters, juice of 1 lemon. Instructions: peel and chop the vegetables into small pieces. Place all the ingredients in a blender. Add a little water if needed to achieve the desired consistency. Blend until smooth and serve immediately. Recipe number 2. Detox green juice. Ingredients: 2 green apples, 1 medium cucumber, a handful of spinach, juice of 1 lemon, coconut water or mineral water. Instructions: thoroughly wash the ingredients. Cut the apples and cucumber into pieces. Place all the ingredients in a blender. Add a little coconut water or mineral water. Blend until smooth and serve immediately. Recipe number 3. Pineapple, mint, and kale juice. Ingredients: 2 slices of pineapple, a handful of mint leaves, 2 kale leaves, juice of 1 lemon, coconut water or mineral water. Instructions: peel and chop the pineapple into pieces. Thoroughly wash the mint leaves and kale. Place all the ingredients in a blender. Add a little coconut water or mineral water. Blend until smooth and serve immediately. Which of the liver cleansing juice recipes are you most excited to try? Feel free to share your favorite recipe with us here in the comments. These juices are excellent options for promoting liver health and conducting a natural cleanse. Enjoy! So, I hope these liver cleansing juice recipes are helpful to you. Now, I invite you to watch our next video on health after 50. In it, we'll discuss the top 10 best foods for a healthy life after 50 with specific tips and guidance for maintaining a healthy and active life beyond that age. Don't miss out. Always remember to take care of your body and your health. Until then,